Today, the world's largest corporate Bitcoin whale just dropped $555.8 million on another haul of 6,556 Bitcoin, while legendary trader Arthur Hayes warns it could be the last chance to scoop up Bitcoin under $100,000. Stay tuned. This is the crypto moment you can't afford to miss. Let's kick off with the headlines. Bitcoin rebounded sharply after former President Trump's tariff rhetoric rattled the US dollar, sending BTC back above $85,000 for the first time since early April. The dollar's slump against major currencies softened the headwinds for crypto, driving a 3.5% rally in the last 24 hours alone. Meanwhile, Ethereum's price stability around $3,200 belies a frenzy in the NFT sector as Zora, an Ethereum-based NFT platform, announced its long-awaited native token release set for next week, fueling excitement across the creator economy. In a landmark SEC filing dated April 21, 2025, Michael Saylor's rebranded firm, Strategy, snapped up 6,556 BTC for approximately $555.8 million, bringing its aggregate holdings to 538,200 BTC, valued at over $36 billion. That purchase marks a 12.1% year-to-date yield on its Bitcoin portfolio, underscoring why corporate treasuries are racing to get a slice of digital gold. With each at the market offering, ATM, of common and preferred stock, Strategy converts fresh capital into more Bitcoin, turning equity issuance directly into crypto accumulation. At an average buy-in cost of $67,766 per BTC, this move signals enduring confidence in Bitcoin's medium-term upside. Like the Easter Bunny, bounce, 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 quipped ex-BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes in a viral tweet, warning that this might be our last chance to grab Bitcoin under 100K. As BTC surged over 3% to nearly $88,000, Hayes' colorful metaphor lit up X, igniting fresh retail FOMO. Could today's sub-100K prices really be the final curtain call before a parabolic breakout? Hayes believes so. Stay on the edge of your seat. Turning to altcoins, Upexi Inc. was skyrocketed 450% in a single trading session after crypto investment firm GSR injected $100 million to kickstart Upexi's new Solana-based treasury strategy, staking SOL tokens for long-term yield. Meanwhile, Solana, SOL, could be gearing up for another leg higher. Technical analysts project a 13.3% rally to test the 152.90 resistance level. If SOL flips that zone to support, a run toward 180 could be in the cards. In decentralized finance, PancakeSwap cake traders are watching a key support floor around $1.85 after a 4% pullback last week. With BNB chain activity ticking up, Cake's innovative yield farms may deliver a sweet rebound, though sustainability hinges on upcoming protocol upgrades. On the NFT front, Zora's token launch next week could reshape royalty mechanics for creators on Ethereum, potentially driving fresh liquidity into the NFT space as minting and trading volumes heat back up. Cryptocurrency culture meets pop culture. Yesterday, Dogecoin holders celebrated Dogeday on April 20th, blending April 20th festivities with the Shiba Inu meme token's community spirit. Expect some eye-catching Dagon memes and maybe a surprise tweet from Elon Musk himself next year. Not all headlines are bullish. Binance is navigating multi-layered regulatory storms, from technical outages to an $81.5 billion lawsuit filed by Nigeria's Federal Inland Revenue Service for unlicensed operations spanning 6 years. As regulators worldwide tighten the screws, centralized exchanges face existential questions on compliance, and the path they choose could define crypto's integration with traditional finance. Time for our crystal ball segment, Bitcoin. CoinCove forecasts a 38% surge to $116,112 by April 28th, though many analysts caution that a deep correction towards $75,000 to $70,000 remains possible if macro headwinds reemerge. Solana, near-term upside of 11% to $140.10, buoyed by network upgrades and growing DeFi activity. Watch for that key $152.90 breakout. EOS, while historically volatile, EOS could see modest gains to $0.67 in the short term, with longer-term forecasts ranging up to $3.43 by 2030, provided ecosystem development picks up steam. Shiba Inu, Analysts predict a slight dip to 0.0001268 by April 28th as SHIB consolidates. Yet a falling wedge breakout could spark a surprise rally. As Bitcoin carves fresh highs and altcoins jockey for position, one truth stands out. Opportunity and risk coexist in crypto's wild frontier. Whether you're diving in under 100K or scouting the next altcoin gem, remember to manage risk, stay informed, and never chase the FOMO wave blind. That's all for today's Crypto Deep Dive. Hit subscribe, leave your thoughts below, and join us next time for more market-moving insights. Until then, keep your keys safe, your trades smart, and your eyes on the blockchain.